what I saw was that they gave him, the company is basically the 100 mil US, or well, let's say here this article is quoting 95 million US, has to be paid by December 31st. So, and that's December 31st, 2025. Right?
You mean in a couple of weeks?
Yeah, yeah. Because I mean, it's like, yo, it's basically saying the end of the year. The year is basically done.
The year
And
is
one of,
basically done.
yeah. So it's not really that much. And they were saying that what I found interesting was that you mentioned before that the shares. So it's like, okay, you owe the money. You're selling NCB shares to pay people, the money that you owe them. But this, what I understand is that they're proposing like a new agreement that will force the 100 mil US payment by the end of this year. So it's not, I don't think it's technically gone into play yet. What's supposed to happen is that I think the article quoted it, that meetings will take place between December 2nd and 11th at the Jamaica Stock Exchange's head office. So some meetings have already happened. It'd be interesting to see. I wonder if they
and there's some more
have
meetings
security at that meeting. You think anybody can just go? You
Boy,
just dress up
you
as
think
someone.
We can go? You don't think we can go, bro?
Legally?
I don't know.
I don't know. I feel like they're gonna restrict people still, unless you go hop fence and those stuff.